Kinderdijk, the windmill wonderland of the Netherlands. Did you know that Kinderdijk is home to 19 iconic windmills, each with a unique story to tell? Let's uncover the magic behind this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Welcome to Kinderdijk, a place where Dutch history, engineering, and natural beauty come together in one unforgettable landscape. Kinderdijk is a historic village in the Netherlands. It's famous for its 19 beautifully preserved windmills, built in the 1700s. These windmills weren't just built for looks. They were designed to drain water and protect the land from flooding, a vital part of life in a country that sits mostly below sea level. Today, they still stand proudly, telling the story of a centuries-long battle between the Dutch and the water. But why is Kinderdijk worth visiting? Because it's more than just windmills. It's a peaceful escape into a world of canals, fields, and sky. You can walk or bike past the windmills, take a boat tour through the water, step inside a working windmill and see how families once lived. It's a living museum, and every part of it moves with the wind. So where is Kinderdijk? You'll find it in South Holland, about 15 kilometers east of Rotterdam. It's easy to reach from major cities, but once you're there, it feels like a different world entirely. Getting to Kinderdijk is simple. From Rotterdam, take the waterbus. It's a scenic 30-minute ride right to the village. Coming from Amsterdam, take a train to Rotterdam, then switch to the waterbus, or take a local bus. You can also drive or cycle. There are good roads and parking options. When is the best time to visit? Spring and summer bring sunshine, green fields, and perfect cycling weather. But autumn? That's when the morning fog creates a magical, quiet atmosphere. Try to visit early in the day or on a weekday to avoid crowds. So, Kinderdijk is way more than just a pretty picture. It's a place where you can feel the incredible power of nature and the quiet, stubborn strength of human creativity. It's a landscape that tells a 700-year-old story of fighting, creating, and surviving. From the gentle ride on the water bus to the amazing view of 19 windmills standing like sentinels, to discovering what life was like inside one of these wooden giants, visiting here is an experience for all your senses. It's a trip into the very heart of the Netherlands. It truly is a wonderland where history isn't just kept behind glass. It's alive and turning in the wind. If this journey through Kinderdijk's windmill wonderland has inspired you, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And for more adventures to the world's most incredible heritage sites, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's the most awe-inspiring UNESCO World Heritage Site you've ever been to? Leave a comment below and share your story. Thanks for listening. And I'll see you on the next adventure.